Okay, so today we will have a discussion on writer and culture. Right? First, before me reading this poem or explaining this poem, let me tell something about this poem. This poem today it is introduced in Culture app. Culture app is related to Texas, that is US, and this particular poem is applied in that context where it picturizes 1970s of US, it picturizes 1970s of India. Well, my copyrights were taken, and then I had given the permission, in fact, right, that they can introduce my poem into their app. And today, uh, the app by name Culture Trip, which is available even in your Google store, right? You can just download Culture Trip, and if you type writer and culture, you'll find my poem there. And that is the poem what we are going to discuss today, right? So it has received international recognition, and this poem is very much related to the title, writer and culture. One side there is writer, and the other side there is culture. Culture of the country, culture of the world, right? So what sort of culture is existing today, and what a writer is facing by seeing such culture, right? Okay, here goes this poem. Green was culture, green were you. Well, I am going to explain line by line, in fact, because it's very important. Green was culture, green were you. Your culture was green, which means pure, right? It was so pure. Green were you, even you were green, even you were pure. After a revolt, after a revolt, here it is 1847 revolt and 1947 Declaration of Independence, which happened in India. So after a revolt and after red, here red is after bloodshed. After bloodshed, finally we got independence, right? You have become black. So I am telling you have become black. Your culture, black, which indirectly means that you have somewhere related your own culture, right? And you have produced the dirt, and now it has become black. Perhaps I will write in black, and that's why I have written in black. Hip hop, bip hop. Jockey tight, body loose. Nowadays, you find the stuff like jockey, which is your underwear, right? That has been tightened, but your body is loose. It has allowed each and everything to enter into you, right? It has given that sort of what you say freedom after your 1947 freedom. Then you find loose is the costume, loose is your future. Your costume is loose completely, and your future is also going to be very much loose. It is Thai culture. I get up in heat, tightening my feet, empty heat, empty zest. Here a writer is speaking that on, say, every note, every day, I wake up with full of heat, full of zest, full of energy. Okay, today I'm going to change the society. Today I want to do something for the society, right? I'm not able to bear all this which is happening around me, right? Then see here, but empty heat and empty zest. But my heat, what is generated in me, the energy, right? It is of no use. It is empty. Why? I am thirsty to change you, right? What for? I am thirsty to change you. Can you give me some water? Here I have used this symbol, water, right? Water is change. Water is change. You to get up in heat, posing your fittings around your settings. Like me, even you are coming out of your house, right, with full of readiness, right, full of wear, and full of as if you want to do something new, right? But there is a change. What is that change? I am thirsty for water. That means change. I am not able to see this change. I want to bring a change. For that, I am ready. For that, that heat is there in me. You are thirsty for culture. My goodness. People you might have seen being thirsty for water, thirsty for something which is like status or something which is like position, or you want to become something great, a scientist or researcher or something. But today's position is people are thirsty for, hungry for what? Culture. Because they are not satisfied with their own culture. Now, do you think Indian culture is that weak? Do you think we don't have much existence in our culture? That we are adopting different cultures? See here. I am thirsty for water, you are thirsty for culture. You forgot your origin and seed. Origin is Indianness. Seed is the root, right? What is existing in a country. But today you don't find that, right? While you are busy to feed need, today, whatever you require for time being, you are just concentrating on that. If I am getting benefited about this, I am ready to accept. Be it French culture, be it US culture, be it Canadian, or be it any culture, European culture around the world, right? You are ready. If somebody is giving you a job, you are ready to accept that. What the point? Then you want a trend. What you are using the word? Trend. It's trending. It is a trend. It's a fashion. So I am doing it. What's wrong in that? Right? You want a mixture. What you are asking for is a mixture where you don't have only India. You don't have your own country in it. You want a mixture. Then see it. Thinking changes. Must. Even you are using the word changes. Must. That nothing is constant but change. You just apply that one proverb and say that everything must change, so we are changing. Right? Then see here. I see a mass culture building. Not one or two cultures. Mass cultures. Because today an Indian has more than 7 to 8 cultures in him or her. So what I say is, I see a mass culture building. At the outdoors, you are kneeling. At the outdoors, what you are doing? Kneeling. You are kneeling with feeling. Begging for hybridity. You are begging for what? You are asking for what? Hybridity. Not for the real original seed. You are asking for hybridity. Right? For a culture of sanctuary. This is a colloquial use. Usually use sanctuary, right? Sanctuary which is spoiled. Right? Which is ruined. So what I am trying to say here is, you are asking for such a culture which is equivalent to sanctuary. It is ruined, spoiled. Where once your tomatoes have been ruined, you throw them, right? That is what is happening with our culture. You have actually thrown your culture and you have adopted all other cultures, right? Then I was not a poet, in fact, right? But your condition made me. I have a query for your culture. I have a question for your culture. Will this continue in future? Right? I think, yes. What you said. That's it. Thank you.